Hi, I'm Adam, the Garage Woodworker, and in this episode we're going to build these simple cabinet doors. Seriously, more shop furniture? What's with this guy?
When I was designing the doors, I knew of a few things I wanted to accomplish. I wanted them to be cheap, I wanted them to be two-tone and contrast with the two-tone of the workbench, and I wanted them to be quick and easy as I had 24 panels to make. I first started by ripping down the 2x4s into 10mm strips and cutting up the MDF sheets into the dimensions of the doors. I attached a 2x4 strip on either side of each door and attached it with glue and brad nails. I then measured in between the two pieces of 2x4 to get the length of the piece for the top and bottom, cut them to length, and also attach them with glue and brad nails.
If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. I decided to finish the doors in boiled linseed oil. I stacked the finished doors up with spaces in between, and that night we had a major storm.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I attached all the panels with glue and brad nails. I then attached the doors with hinges. I had to remove the twin screw vise off the workbench to install this last panel, and also this one particular door. To access this door, you won't actually be able to open it with the twin screw vise in place, but I won't really be opening it that often as it's for long-term storage underneath the workbench. I also had to notch out around the vise on the end of my workbench to install the last panel, and then I installed pegboard on the back side of the workbench just to stop anything falling out the back. I got some of these double magnet latches from my local hardware store and installed them on the top and bottom of every door. I also ended up rearranging my shop, and I ended up moving the two shelving units next to each other, installing doors along the front of them. One thing that I didn't think about when making the doors is that MDF has absolutely no structural integrity, and a couple of the hinges, the screws ended up breaking out. So to battle this, what I did was remove each hinge one at a time, add some 5-minute epoxy to the hinge and also to the screws, and then install the doors back on. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. If you liked my video, hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any future videos. You can also follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you next time.